all the milestones of your 6-month-old baby. Has it already been half a year since you were blessed with one of the greatest joys of life? Your baby has become your best friend and favorite partner. And now you are wondering if you could slow down the time so that you can live these beautiful moments more. Well, know that you are not alone in feeling this way, and these exact emotions are reciprocated by many parents around the world. You will be glad to know that you can balance these emotions with the happiness of your little one turning 6 months old. How, you asked? In many ways, we say. You can never stop discovering new facts about your child. Knowing your baby is a significant part of babyhood, and you do not want to miss out on any fact that can help you be the best parent ever. We understand what you and your baby are going through and what an important part your baby's 6th milestone plays. And since we get it, we want to help you with understanding this time better with our all-inclusive content. Navigating through some known and unknown facts. The umbrella of the 6th month covers a multitude of developments in your baby. He or she would be smiling much more than before and might even have a tooth to flash. You would observe them trying to do many more things by themselves, like sitting up and falling asleep. Most mothers also consider this time to be appropriate for stopping to breastfeed the baby. Experts say that babies should at least be breastfed for 6 months. And if you fulfill this timeline, we have nothing but appreciation in store for you. By this time, the baby is 6 months old. You can start giving him or her solid but soft foods. If we are having so much fun telling you about all the goals your baby will hit this month, we can imagine your excitement. So, let's elaborate on all these developments, taking one at a time. How your baby is growing physically. Baby's pulse. The highlight of a baby's growth in their 6th month is that they start teething. Most babies start teething by the end of the 4th month. Although there is no hard and fast rule. Some babies do not get their first tooth even by the time they are 8 or 9 months old. However, you have nothing to worry about till your baby's doctor shows any red flags. Length and weight. Your baby's weight will become twice that when he or she was born. Their height will also increase, but not much. You will be able to see the difference of about half an inch or a little more than this. But don't worry, half an inch is a big number in the babyland. Even their back and neck muscles will be stronger, so do not be surprised if you see them sitting and waiting for you. How to help? Increase the number of massages that you give your baby at this time. You can also start brushing their teeth if they have them. Be very gentle though. You do not want to damage their precious pink gums. How your baby's senses are getting enhanced. Baby's vision. Your baby can see you better every passing day. On one day, his or her vision improves, while the next day they can spot distant objects without their eyes crossing. With their vision, their attention span also increases. Your little angel will get a new favorite as well as a favorite color. Ready to redecorate their room? Time to watch your words. By this age, babies have a much better voice recognition ability. They can identify your voice, and the best part? They know when you call their name. Babies might also understand when you tell them no, and they may even stop doing what they were. Your baby is able to do all this owing to his or her increased ability to associate words with actions. Get ready to experience the roller coaster ride that is your baby soon learning to speak more than just a few vowels and consonants. How to help? Since your baby understands action and reaction better, try to be a little more assertive when they are being stubborn or misbehaving. Get to know what they like and don't like so that you can reward them when they listen to you. You can also polish their visual receptors by giving them interesting images with high contrast colors. Oh, and do not forget to introduce them to some exciting songs and rhymes. They help in making them learn new words. How's your baby's sleep getting affected? Sleep hours. Your baby will sleep much better than his or her previous months, and so will you. Babies this age sleep around 6 to 10 hours at a stretch. However, they can also have trouble falling asleep and may even wake up in the middle of the night more often than before. Some parents use the technique of leaving their baby to soothe themselves back to sleep if they wake up in the middle of the night and start crying. Some experts even recommend leaving your baby in the crib for extended hours so that they get acquainted with it. You may have to experiment with a few methods before you find the most helpful one to send your baby into the land of dreams. Precautions. We understand how much you might want to decorate your baby's crib with some adorable stuffed toys, but it is not the right time yet. Keep those stuffed toys in his play zone for a month or two more. Try not to feed them every time they wake up from their sleep, as it might make them habitual of it. Try alternatives like cuddling them and patting them when they cannot sleep. Takeaway: our excitement while educating you on your baby's 6-month was over the moon and still is, even though we are done with all the vital pointers. However, one thing that we are not done with and do not want to be done with is providing you with exclusive and informational content. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.